Well, here we are on February 8th, 2013, and we're supposed to have a blizzard. So we're going to kind of track the progress of it, and we're starting out about 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to show you what the depth of the snow is at this particular time. And right now we've only got about an inch, inch and a quarter of snow, and this is part of a low pressure area going across central New England. It's not even the main storm, which isn't supposed to start for another couple hours. So that's where we are right now, and we'll come back and let you see what's happening during the day as the storm progresses. That's if I can even get out of here. Okay, now it's 1 p.m. on Friday, February 13th, and the snow level's at about 2.5 inches. Well, this is the 2013 blizzard in New England. And you know, I think there's a sinister plot here. You look at all this snow, I can only come up with one explanation. But look at this. I mean, just get an idea here. 35 inches of snow there. And about 40 inches there. Didn't even distribute evenly. I think this is retaliation from the Republican Party. And I think Mitt Romney is responsible for it. First thing tomorrow morning, as soon as we get the power back, I'm going to fire up the internet and I'm sending some email to President Barack Obama and see what he can do about this. Just thought you'd like to know. That's it from New England.